This anonymous YouTube channel is earning a whopping $22,000 every month by producing and sharing short videos. And the most amazing part is that it's all powered by artificial intelligence. Even the titles, descriptions, tags, and hashtags are created using AI technology. I have a sample for you to see. It's interesting, relatable, and shareable content, but there is no specific value in it. Now, let me show you how I managed to create 500 YouTube shorts without spending a dime. I used 2 AI tools to harness the power of artificial intelligence and streamline the production process. Additionally, I used Canva as a video editor to add the finishing touches. So the first AI tool, ChatGPT, simply search for ChatGPT on Google and click on the first link. Then click on Try ChatGPT and log in with your Google account. Now, let's begin by teaching ChatGPT to generate new quotes with the same sense of humor. I want it to create 3 quotes similar to this one, each with 2 parts. Here they are. First one, have you ever wondered why firefighters don't slide down poles face first? The firehouse would be a lot busier with pole-induced concussions. Second one, ever pondered why race car drivers turn left instead of right? Taking a right turn might lead them straight into a pit of confusion. Third one, curious about why skydivers don't jump with their backs to the ground? A backward dive might turn the thrill of free fall into a confusing tumble through the clouds. Now that we know that it is producing the desired replies, we can proceed to ask it again. I have reposted the same prompt, but this time with 500 quotes and an additional request to organize them into a table. The first part will be in the first column and the second part in the second column. Having established that it is generating the responses we need, we can now pose the same prompt once more. However, this time I have increased the number of quotes to 500 and included a new instruction to arrange them into a table. The first part will be in column 1 and the second part in column 2. You need to ensure that you include the table prompt in the first line as ChatGPT follows commands based on line numbers. After that, press enter and patiently wait for it to execute. In case it doesn't generate 500 quotes at once, you can split it into a batch of 30 to 50 quotes. After completing the task, just duplicate the table and proceed to open Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Use the shortcut Ctrl+V to paste the table. Now we possess a comprehensive database of quotes neatly organized in a table. Let's proceed to the next AI tool, which is Text Magic. Open Google and search for Text Magic Open. Click on the first link and copy your Excel columns. Paste them into the text box and select a voice profile from the drop-down menu. You can even listen to the audio by clicking on the play button. Finally, click on Download MP3 to generate a single audio file of all the quotes, which can be edited later. To access the third free tool, Canva, simply go to Google and search for Canva. Open the first link that appears. Once on the website, sign up for a free account. From the Home tab, search for Mobile Video and choose one of the available templates. Click on Customize this template and ensure you are on the Design tab located on the left side. In the search box, type quotes and select any video that suits your preference. Some videos may have sound, so remember to click on the speaker icon and mute the video. Additionally, delete any existing text by clicking on it. Below is the video timeline located at the bottom. In case there are multiple videos in the timeline, you can easily delete them by clicking on the delete button. Now let's proceed to create a customized template for our shorts. I will create a single template and then import the Excel file to automate the process for the remaining short. To begin creating the template, first check if the video is shorter. If so, you can extend its duration by dragging its right edge. Next, click on the Text tab on the left side and add a text box. Type something like Fun Fact or Life Facts and change the font style from the top bar. Adjust the size of the text accordingly. Lastly, select your text and change its color from the available options. Drag the text to the top of the page. Next, go to the Style section and click on Effects. You can also choose different text styles from here, but for now, set a background for the text and change its color. To give it a clean look, add some roundness. Now click on the animate button and select the fade style. After that, click on the icon to create a duplicate of this text box. Drag the duplicate down to the center of the page. Modify the animation to bounce or select a different animation of your preference. Opt for a white text color with a black background. Access your Excel sheet and copy the initial portion of your quote. Paste it into this designated text box. Now create a duplicate of this box and slightly move it downwards. Copy the second part of the quote and paste it here. To set the duration of the first part to 5 seconds, right-click on the initial portion of the quote. Then, click on Show Timing to open the text bar on the timeline. Adjust the duration by dragging the right edge until it reaches 5 seconds. To select the text box and adjust its duration, click on the second part of the quote. Then, adjust the duration from the left and right edges. Move the video from the right edge to the max with the text duration. Lastly, Move both text boxes to the center of the screen. Put your channel's handle at the bottom. Click on the Edit Video button and increase the vignette to 100. This will create a center focus on the viewers. Now that our video template is ready, we can automate the process of inserting the quotes. Click on Ads from the left sidebar and type Bolt Create in the search box. Click on the icon. Click on Enter Data manually, and a pop-up will open with a table. Click on Clear Table at the bottom left. Copy the first 50 rows from the Excel table, including the column titles such as Part 1 and Part 2, and paste them into the table. Please click on the Done button to proceed. Let's establish a connection between Part 1 and Part 2 by linking the text boxes with the table data. It's a simple process. Just move the second part text box below and right-click on the first part. Then go to Connect Data and select Part 1. Next, right-click on the second text box and choose it as Part 2. Once you're done, move the second part text box back to the center. To ensure there are no errors, you should see check marks. Now click on the Continue button and proceed to generate the pages. You will find your automatically created shorts here. Currently, the issue is that all the video backgrounds are identical. However, it is effortless to modify the background by simply clicking on each individual video. There is no need to assign distinct backgrounds to every video. Instead, you can conveniently select 5 to 10 different videos and shuffle between them seamlessly. To include a voiceover, head to the Upload section on the left sidebar and click on the Upload Files button. Choose your audio file and import it. Then, drag and drop it below the video clip in the timeline. Make any necessary adjustments and easily split the audio into parts by right-clicking on it. Adding a voiceover is simple, so this is how you can generate hundreds of YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikToks without the need for professional video editing software. If you enjoyed this video, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. If you're new here, I regularly upload comprehensive tutorials on AI tools, innovative uses of the command prompt, and custom programming techniques to help you accomplish your tasks effortlessly. Thank you for joining with us for today's video. Until next time, stay safe and take care. Make sure to keep the notification bell turned on. Goodbye.